Don't comment yet. Let me first explain the rules of this giveaway to you so that you don't get yourself disqualified. I have rules in this giveaway, as do all giveaways, to make sure that it is entirely fair and possible for me to keep doing them. So please watch this video and listen carefully so you can enter this month's and hopefully my future giveaways. Yes, I'm giving away this gaming PC. I give away, or at least I try to, give away one gaming computer every month. Yes, if you're new here and don't know that, I give away one computer at the start of every month. The giveaways run throughout the entire month, and I use that to kind of subsidize my channel growth and to also make profit. Yes, to be completely honest, I do giveaways for the sole purpose of gaining subs and making money. Just gonna be entirely honest. I'm not gonna pretend I'm some amazing person who does them out of the kindness of my heart. No, they are profitable for me. But if I can make money while giving a member of my community a free gaming computer, then I'm extremely happy with that. So let's get into this video. One thing I will say at the beginning, yes, this giveaway is international, worldwide, whatever you want to call it. It literally says it in the title. Do not go into the comment section asking me, is it worldwide? Is it this country, that country? No, it is international. If you can watch this video, you can win something. More on that later. One thing I'm going to address right now. If you've checked your timeline and don't have an ad blocker on currently, you may have noticed that this video is, well, loaded with ads. Yes, it is. And the reason for that, to be completely honest, is because those ads and the ads on my other videos and the revenue from my Twitch channel is what pays for these giveaways. Now, I'm not going to just make an empty claim and be like, well, it's totally revenue. Boom. Here is literally a screenshot of both my YouTube and Twitch revenue from last month, which I get paid this month, which is what pays for the computer that I'm giving away. That is it. I'm just going to show you it. A lot of people don't do that. I see no point in not. It shows you that I can and will pay for a computer to give away. The only reason I made that much revenue last month is because I gave away a computer and it drove my view count up. So I can afford to do another one and still make profit for myself. I am happy. That is why this video is loaded with ads. This video alone contributes about 1/5 to 1/3 of the total revenue for each month that helps pay for this giveaway. So I do load it with ads for that reason. Alright, now that we have all the logistics out of the way, let's get into the rules of this giveaway. So, if you don't know, I use what's called an entry-based system, meaning that while the winner is picked completely randomly by a bot, you can get more entries into this giveaway for a higher chance of winning. That's just it. And how do you get those entries? Well, to get your baseline, 1 entry, admittance into this giveaway, chance to win this pretty sexy HP Omen gaming PC, you must first be subscribed. Now, I'm not going to pretend that I can check if you are subbed, although if you have your subscriptions public, in my little comment section, I can actually see a little red YouTube logo next to your name that tells me you are subscribed. That's just the best way. Obviously, I won't disqualify someone if I don't see that, because again, if you have your subs private, I cannot check. I'm not going to pretend that I can. If anyone tells you they can check if you're subbed, they are lying to you and probably trying to scam you. I am just asking you and telling you that you should be subscribed. If you have that red circle next to your name, meaning that your subs are public, I will be more lenient with the rules for you. Let's say you accidentally break a rule or something, I may still let you enter if you have that little sub thing next to your name. But please be careful and listen carefully. So you must be subscribed to my channel. I do this giveaway to gain subs, so obviously you must be subscribed. And you must comment on this video. But if you comment anything remotely resembling begging, complaining, crying, bitching or moaning in an attempt to get me to pity you into giving you a computer, if you even so much as ask me for a computer, or complain about your current setup in any way, I will not enter you. I do not want a sob story competition in my comment section. This giveaway is fair and random. There will be no pity. I will not let you win because you cried the hardest. End of story. It will be fair and it will be random. The winner is picked randomly. I do not pick a winner. That would not be a giveaway. That would be a competition. And that is not what this is. It is a random giveaway. Your chance of winning is determined by you, not by me. It is random chance. That is how you get one entry. I would be lying to you if I told you that one entry is a lot. It really isn't. It is tiny. Having only one entry gives you less than 0.01% chance of winning this giveaway. With how many total entries there are, one entry is just not enough. I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm trying to set your expectations low. You should not expect to win a giveaway. There are a lot of people who enter. There are a lot of total entries. One entry is really nothing. So here's how you get more. A couple things. In the description, you will find a couple of useful links. The first one is a link to my Discord server. In that server, listen carefully, there is a chat, a text chat called Entry Chat. Pretty straightforward. In that entry chat, if you post a screenshot of you liking any one of my YouTube videos that I have ever posted on this channel that is currently public, you will get another entry. Do that for all of the videos, you will get something like 310 entries or something similar. I usually round them to 350 just because I'm lazy and it's easier to enter people like that. So if you do end up liking all the videos, you'll get like 350 entries. Here's my recommendation for that. It is a pain in the ass to screenshot every single video that you liked it. So if you really want to do that, if you want to get some extra entries for liking videos, like the videos, go to your YouTube generated liked videos playlist, screenshot it a couple times, put it in entry chat, and the people who I pay to count that entry chat will put in those entries, and it's much easier. Discord does limit the amount of screenshots you can send, so it's actually more efficient to do it that way. Side note, in case you don't know, I do pay people to run my Discord entry chat. Every day at the end of the day, all the entries from the day are compiled and put under the people's Discord names. My one recommendation to you, if you want to enter the giveaway in my Discord, do not change your Discord account name. The entries are put under your account name. If you change your name and or the number after your name, we cannot verify it's you if you win, and there will be probably a pretty big problem if your old account name wins and you can't prove that it is your old account. So if you're going to change your name, at least screenshot that that is your old account name so you can prove if you win that that is you. As a side note, people haven't figured that out yet. So that is one of the easiest ways to get entries on Discord. That is one of the easiest and most effective ways to get entries in this giveaway, because not only do you get an entry into this giveaway per video that you like that I post, including future videos, and if you put a screenshot of that in entry chat, you get an extra entry, but those entries are permanent. They will be entered into every single month's PC giveaway as long as I do them. The reason for that is not because I'm so nice and just want to reward you so much. No, it's because I'm lazy. It's because it's so much easier and effective and efficient if I just save all the entries from the liked videos and put them in each month permanently. Because imagine if the 7,000 members of my Discord all had to put in 300 screenshots every month. It would be chaos. It would be impossible to count. So it's just to make it easier. They are permanent entries. That's the best way to win the giveaway. And of course, people ask, how do I win? I hate that question. Don't you dare ask me that question. There's no way to win a giveaway. It's random. But if you want to have a good chance without doing really any work, like all the videos, screenshot your like playlist, put them in entry chat, done. Just make sure you comment on the videos every month and you're entered. Easy peasy. Second thing, this is a big one. Listen carefully. This is how the last month's winner won the giveaway entirely. Twitch.tv/DinkyTheSync. That is the second link you will find in the description below. That is my Twitch channel. I showed you my Twitch revenue, and it was relatively high, especially compared to YouTube. That is where most of my money comes from to pay for these giveaways. That is why it is so important. My Twitch. Twitch entries are completely automated. I love it. Here's the deal. I live stream a couple times a week. I will be making a separate video about my schedule and the entry system on Twitch, so I highly recommend you stay tuned for that video. It'll be released later this week. Basically, I'll be outlining my new permanent streaming schedule, the times of my streams, how long they will be roughly speaking, and how my entry system works on Twitch. But it is completely automated. Every 10 minutes that you are watching a stream on your Twitch account, that's it. If you are watching a stream of mine that is live, you cannot watch old streams careful, some people think you can, you cannot. It has to be live. It'll only be counted if the stream is live. Every 10 minutes, you will automatically be given 2 extra entries for the giveaway. If on Twitch you type !entries, spelled like this, into the Twitch chat while signed into your Twitch account, it'll tell you how many Twitch entries you have. Disclaimer: Twitch entries are not the same as Discord and YouTube. They are counted the same way, meaning that in the end they are all combined and counted, but it will only tell you how many entries you've earned from Twitch streams. So yes, if you watch my streams, you will be rewarded entries. Also, if you follow my Twitch, you will also just get an entry. So if you are new to Twitch and you haven't followed already, if you follow, you get an entry. You can type !entries to verify. Second thing, if you happen to have Twitch's subscription service called Twitch Prime, if you don't know what Twitch Prime is, look it up. Basically, Twitch Prime allows you to sub for free to one channel a month. When you sub to a channel on Twitch, not follow, sub, different thing, the streamer is given money. So, in exchange for that, if you happen to pick my channel for your free sub if you have Twitch Prime, you will be rewarded automatically 100 extra entries for the giveaway. The reason I do that is because you are directly helping pay for it. Twitch Prime subs are one of the leading revenue generators on Twitch for me. So if you have Twitch Prime or you just have $5 you really want to get rid of, do not donate to me if you don't have a lot of money. That is my rule. Yes, there is a donation link. There is options to give bits and subs on Twitch for money. If you don't have a lot of extra money, do not donate to me. I'm just telling you straight up. I'm being completely honest. And do not donate money to my Twitch thinking it'll make you win the giveaway. That's just not true. I'm not going to pretend it is. I'm not going to lie to you. If you donate money to my Twitch in any way, you should do it with the knowledge that yes, you will technically get extra entries automatically, but the sole purpose of that donation is to help support the giveaways on the channel. That is it. That is all I will tell you. I don't recommend donating, but if you do, that is what they are for. They just support me in general. And do not expect to win a giveaway for donating. And I do not want someone to donate if they don't just have extra money laying around. So, that's that for Twitch. Again, stay tuned for the whole video about my streaming schedule and how the Twitch entry system works. But that's it. You just get 2 entries every 10 minutes you're watching a stream as long as you're signed into a Twitch account and followed. And if you happen to sub with Twitch Prime, fun fact, if you have Amazon Prime, or your parents do, you can connect it to your Twitch account and get free Twitch Prime and then sub to my channel for free, if you feel so inclined. Moving on to the final way to get entries. Twitter. I don't like Twitter. It's terrible, but I need to use it. Why? Sole reason is I use it to reach out to brands, and I get some free stuff. It is true. I have gotten some products from brands. I've gotten review deals. I've gotten sponsorships solely from reaching out on Twitter. It's one of the best ways. It's like a casual way of emailing companies. But here's the deal. Any tweet that I tweet in the month of February 2021, this month alone, only tweets this month will count. If you like and retweet said tweet, also I highly recommend following. If you like and retweet any tweet, you will get an entry. You just have to post the screenshot of you doing that in my Discord entry chat, same way you do the liked videos. But you must like and retweet both, or it does not count for the entry. That is the rule. The reason is, the more views and likes and stuff I can get on my tweets, the more, brands will actually respond to me and possibly maybe sponsor the giveaway in the future. To be honest, I do not have a sponsor for this month's giveaway. I've been trying to line them up. They've been a little slow. There's a chance, if my emails and stuff go well, I could have one for next month's giveaway. So hopefully we can get enough people on Twitter that, brands will actually, want to send stuff. But I have gotten a decent amount of stuff, and I do have some people possibly interested in that. And that's about it for entries. So that is how you enter the giveaway. Side note, if you comment about the giveaway on any video that is not exclusively about this giveaway, you'll just be hidden. I will hide user from this channel, delete your comments, that's it. I do not want to see giveaway comments on videos that are not exclusively about the giveaway. It's annoying. There is a giveaway for those comments. Pretty simple. Alright, so for those of you who've made it this far in the video, first of all, good job. Proud of you. Thank you so much for showing up. And you're the people who actually make these giveaways possible. The people who stick around long enough to, actually hear the giveaway rules and stuff. The people who follow the rules don't get themselves disqualified immediately. So, for those who have made it this far, let's talk about the PC itself. I have refrained from talking about it this whole time because I need to get through the rules before I actually talk about what the PC is. And, actually, especially for the people who showed up the whole time, you've probably been here before, but if you haven't, I actually reviewed this computer on my channel. This is an older HP Omen gaming PC that I actually picked up for a really good price, which is actually why I'm giving it away, because I got such a great deal on it. Now, a couple of things have changed, though, because I was unhappy with the specs of this PC in that video. I upgraded it a little bit. So, instead of having what was stock, which was an i5-7400, a GTX 1063 gig, and 8 gigabytes of RAM, as well as a 1 terabyte hard drive, I have replaced some of those things. It now has an i7-7700 as opposed to an i5-7400, so it's a much better CPU. That is the best CPU the motherboard in here supports. It is now rocking dual channel memory, 16 gigabytes of DDR4, much better than the 8 gigabytes that it had before. It is still rocking that 1063 gig because it is still a very formidable card and still a very good unit, so it still has that in there. So finally, although it does still have that 1 terabyte hard drive in there, I have installed a 256 gigabyte NVMe SSD in the second PCIe slot, which is actually what it's booting from, and I have installed Windows, so I've upgraded this PC to be faster and much more suitable for a giveaway. I used some spare parts I had. I was looking to get rid of my 7700. I will sell the 7400, probably on eBay or something. I was looking to get, I had a bunch of this random memory that I just kind of don't really need, so easy to upgrade. I actually had exactly the same stick that I was using, so I just upgraded dual channel 16 gigs, and it's a much better PC. And it's completely upgradable. It's got enough power in the power supply to upgrade the graphics card if the winner feels so inclined. I did mention this giveaway is completely international, and everyone can win something. Now, I'm going to be honest. There are some countries either A, cannot, or B, cannot afford to ship this PC to in its current state as a whole computer. And if the winner happens to be from one of those countries, we will cross that bridge when we get to it. First of all, do not ask, can I ship to this, that, and the other country? We're not playing the countries game. We will cross the bridge when the winner tells me where they're from, and then we will go over the options. But if I am unable to ship the PC, either because it is just outrageously expensive, or because it is just straight up illegal or import restrictions due to current situation in the world, I will sell the PC and give the person the value of the computer. I would say it would be about roughly $500, and they can pick in any form of gift card or PayPal or whatever that they choose. I've had someone win and choose $500 in Steam gift cards. You know, whatever you want. So, that is my rule. If I cannot ship the PC, I will sell it and give you the value. Roughly $500 US. And I think I've gone through every point I need to. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for paying attention, and thank you for entering. Good luck on this giveaway. Hope you enjoyed this video. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.